Hey everyone, have you ever tried using OBS to capture your display only to end up with that frustrating black screen? It's super annoying, right? You're trying to record or stream something and nothing shows up. But don't worry, there's a quick fix for this and I'm going to walk you through it. If this video helped you out, I'd truly appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. It means a lot and helps me create more helpful content for you. The black screen capture error in OBS doesn't always know which graphics card to use to pull data from, especially if you have multiple GPUs, like an AMD GPU and an integrated one. The good news is that we can easily point OBS in the right direction. First, right-click anywhere on your desktop and open your display settings. Once you're in, scroll all the way down until you find Graphics Settings. Click on that. Now make sure the setting is on Classic App. Then click Browse to find OBS on your computer. Navigate to your C drive, open the Program Files folder, and look for the OBS Studio folder. Inside that folder, go to Bin. If you're using a 64-bit system, open the 64-bit folder and select the file named OBS64. Click Open, and that will add OBS to your graphics settings. Once OBS is added, click Options next to it. In this menu, you'll see an option to choose which GPU OBS should use. If your system is like most, the high-performance GPU will be your AMD card, and the power-saving GPU will be the integrated one. OBS works best for display capture when it uses the integrated GPU. So switch the setting to power-saving and click Save. Now close OBS if it's running and restart it. When you open it again, the black screen problem should be gone, and your display capture should work perfectly, and that's it. OBS just needed a little help figuring out which GPU to use, and now you're ready to record or stream without any issues. If this worked for you, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.